to find solace in oneself, even in the face of the challenges that lie ahead, seeking a solution, particularly in the context of the Prophet. He sought refuge in Allah and said, Rabiu a'udu bika alhumau iniwai a'udu bika min alhamiwu algamiwu, Lord, I seek refuge in you from grief, I seek refuge in you from anxiety. Relying stinginess. I seek refuge, not being stingy. These are the emotions that genuinely give rise to troubles and challenges for us. What we need to manage in life, if we don't manage it, it makes us bad. When individuals observe us from a distance while we are working, we believe they don't get, but they truly see it. They can't bear it. That's why they act this way. They say he's really stingy, jealous, and a coward. He sought refuge in Allah from cowardice. This and similar things come from within us. It's something that compels you to engage in negative behavior emotionally. These are the things we're trying to deal with, wondering what we're going to do with them. Sometimes they ask, and I ask too, what are we going to do? We have taken many steps regarding these. We have gotten mad at ourselves many times, but I believe that finally, those who can achieve this in the end are still the ones who can pull it off. He's going there, knocking on that door, seeking refuge in Allah. In search of a solution, heading towards the other one, searching for another solution, exhaling on the other one, but he has not yet chosen to take the direct route of seeking refuge in the Almighty. However, you see, the Messenger of Allah, as a regular human being, also had comparable feelings and emotions, We live and experience the difficulties in this life by being tested. This is how it shows the example. We don't use the plea for refuge to Allah, which we call isti'aza, as long as we consider it simple, insignificant, and worthless. It's such an important tool unless you use it. We lose in life, that's what makes it so valuable and important.